O, walang tumbler na.
Ate yun na live as a...
Okay. So, that's your own way of conserving our
section.
helping the environment to lessen the basura. Also, kasi kung parati ko yung bumibili na bottled water, you are contributing the bulk of basura in our environment. So that's what I see. Okay, next. Social political information. Share the joy.
Tapos ko na lang.
Usually, we do this every Christmas or St. Augustine celebration. So this coming August 28, we have this institutional outreach activities. All of us, we need to have these outreach activities here in school or outside school. And then emergency response during calamities and debriefing, public awareness of social issues, literacy and numeracy, advocacy, tree planting, and urban gardening. Next. So these are the examples of these programs: tree planting, literacy, numeracy with the kinder or daycare, and TV or shared of our founders, Mother Rita, and the Venerable Mother Consuelo. So this is the legacy that until now is operating. So before I was there as a director, before coming here, so nandun ako sa Bulacan, helping the children in need of love and care. Share a joy during Christmas and other celebration. Next.
Boyfriend?
Okay, so these are our partner communities. Barangay 641, Barangay 645.
Ang tapo ng gunto ko. Ay, gayo. Ay.
Ayan. Ano mapagkalingan ni Mother Rita?
Mother Rita, aray!
And Caritas Manila. Okay, so in collaboration with you, dear students, we will practice extension programs with our partner communities. So I hope this school year that you will be cooperative and render your services to those who are in need. And thank you for listening and have a nice day.
Hi. Hello po, si kamusta po?
Is to recruit those who are restless now. Why restless? Because you don't know what is at Agustinian Sisters of our
my classmate, Sophia.
I am recruiting you, great young ladies to enter the
Dali yung ipasa mo yung video sa akin, hindi yung camera.
This year, some will accept the invitation. And sana,
Ang ina ni Sophia po, kinang ina ni Sophia.
also, like, has the desire.
Ay kayo, sa vlog ko.
Their ages now.
Pagalitan ko.
So, iba, for me, as a sister, iba, sa pare.
Magmamadre po kami ni Cassandra sa
Meron na daw dyan. So, those ladies who are
meet my another
restless, so come to the office and we can have chit-chat or
Hi guys!
live.
Kasama ko si King Badger. Baby. Muli.
May isa o dalawa o tatlo ang
Bye, guys.
sa ating congregation. I will pray for that. Sino ba dyan?
Guys, nagsasalita yung pet pig ko.
Our department, the Health Services Unit, or simply the school clinic.
Yapper siya, yapper. Bye.